Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word dab in depth. First, the definition. Dab means a quick dance move or a small amount of substance pressed together. Think of it simply as a sharp, stylish arm gesture or a tiny pat. Sometimes it also means a small piece of something like wax or paint. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Dab traces back to the hip hop community in 2015 when the dance move became widely popular. Over time, it's been used by dancers and social media users. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use dab in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She showed off her dab after scoring the winning goal in the match. Correct example 2. He gave a quick dab of ointment to the cut on his finger. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to dab my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using dab correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Dab means a quick dance move or a small amount of substance pressed together. It comes from the hip hop dance culture in 2015, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with dab down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.